Company. Stop stealing our resources. Don't drill our oil. Don't drill our oil. Ogaden people. Don't accept the agreement. We don't accept the agreement with Ethiopia. With Ethiopia. With Ethiopia. The oil belongs to Ogaden people. Not Ethiopia. African Oil Company. Stop stealing our resources. There's no peace in Ogadenia. Don't go to Ogadenia. There's no peace in Ogadenia. There's no stability in Ogadenia. There's no stability in Ogadenia. African Oil Company. African Oil Company.